Boom. Here we go, guys. You guys know we got Lee White box. So today we got the Nike Air Vapormax Flyknit 3 iron gray and a track red. So this is the newest colorway as of 2020 June. So let's get right into the video. Oh, we got some squash though, you know, so let's get it. And another thing before I open this box, all Vapormaxes now are retailing at 200 bucks plus now. It ain't no 190 no more, you know. They tacked on an extra $10. So let's get it. Had to move the spots because I didn't like the angle we were going, but let's just get going with the unboxing. Let's go. Oh, da, 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 da. Now look at that beauty. Another Vapormax to the collection. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I don't know, like, so we got some extra laces. No extra laces, but we got a flamingo. Here you go, flamingo. Eat up, Vapormax box. All right. So first impressions on the shoes. Ooh, It's like, it's a mix of subtle, yet not subtle. This, I have a pair of these already, but it's an actual red and it has red here. So the whole gray look, the Gunsmoke gray, is actually a good touch to the shoe, you know? So here we got the nice like sparkle going on the sides, bottom of the shoe. It's getting dirty because of the dirt here. We had to change the locations. Oh, we got an all white Vapormax insert inside. That's always pretty cool. As far as the whole shoe looking, we got the platinum tailgate. So this right here, I think this would be a really good, like, don't get at me guys, but it's a good woman's shoe. Of course, this is a men's shoe. It's in the men's size. This right here, like I said, is a crimson color, but it's definitely, it could get confused as an orange or a pink. Like I said, they got the platinum tailgate. So I'm thinking these are gonna be like one of the last releases of the Vapormax 3 colorways, just cause they're gonna release the Vapormax, I think it's a 4, Vapormax 4. So let me go ahead and put these on the feet, show you guys, you know, see if they feel the same as the other models. But we got the Vapormax squad. If you got shoes, you gotta go and join the Vapormax squad. All right, so one thing I did notice is that this colorway here, as you can see, we got the flash on. It does have a sparkle, but there is not a single portion of this shoe that is reflective. So I don't know if that's something that some of you guys look for when you guys are running out in the streets, or just in general that you guys like a reflective shoe. This is not a reflective shoe, not whatsoever. And if you're picky about the inside, as far as it getting dirty, it is a white shoe inside. So I do see it getting really dirty inside. I don't know, many of you might have that issue. As far as laces, they're a lot thicker, and they have the standard aglet Vapormax, and the other one says Vapormax as well. Here on the platinum tailgate from the Fords. If you don't know what a platinum tailgate, I'm gonna show you. Now that is the platinum tailgate. So now every time you see these shoes, you're like, oh, you got the Ford platinum tailgate. You know, I might make some shirts, you know, some merch real soon. So y'all keep a lookout for that, you know. Probably like some good stuff that I like. So let's go ahead and put these on the feet. So best thing about Vapormax is they go in smooth. that lock feel. Ready? Boom. Now look at that. Look at that. Before we put the other one on, don't miss next video. I will be doing the drawing for the Air Max 95 giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed, and you know, who knows, maybe we'll get these in the next giveaway, or the sandals, the Night Canyon sandals. So make sure you comment down below and see which one you want to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these off to the side. So this is a point of view. It feels way lighter, you know, because I've been using these ones and these are just heavy. So, you know, we might run these over, you know, I don't know. Just let me guys know in the comments if I should just do the giveaway or run these over to do a test. Might just go ahead and do the test because they're my shoes as of now. But we'll see. Gotta eat good after a review. Alright guys, so today we got a nice little furry rabbit here. His name is Furry the Rabbit. And I don't know if rabbits bite or not, but there it is. It's got demon eyes, so don't really want to mess with that rabbit here. Alright guys.
Certainly more than that, and I love you guys. Stay safe. This is a reading. I never thought I'd
Esto tiene que ser con arroz blanco, ¿eh? fresh.